Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2017 Aprilia SR50. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and take a close look at this little Aprilia. It is HPI clear. It's had a government mileage check on it. What we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike for you. Get a good close look at the condition. And start here at the front wheel. We'll move over to the left hand side. Get a good look at the plastics on it. Get a look at the front wheel and the front brake on this side. It is only a little 50cc this, so it's learner legal. It is a two-stroke, little 50cc two-stroke. Let's get a good look at the plastics on the left-hand side. Also has a kick start as well as electric start. It's got a new tyre on the back. It is MOT'd until April 2022. Let's have a look at the back of it. Move over to the right hand side. Look over at the seat. And the plastics on the right hand side at the back. Get a look at the exhaust on it. Let's look at the plastics low down on this side. And at the front. And then we'll move round and have a look at the front wheel on the right hand side. And what we'll do, we'll go up and have a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's have a look at the controls. So you've obviously got your throttle, front brake, electric starter on there. You've got your rear brake on that side, your lights, indicators and horn. And we'll turn the ignition on. Let's have a look at the miles. It's only done 6,282 miles. Right, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, any close-ups you want to see in particular, we can do that and send them over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219 or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.